Have you ever experienced the frustration of a locked Renault radio after a power loss? You're not alone. But don't worry, retrieving your Renault radio code is easier than you might think. Whenever your Renault battery is disconnected or replaced, your car's radio will lock itself as a theft deterrent system. To reactivate your radio, you'll need a unique code that syncs with your specific vehicle. I'm going to show you Radio Plus Plus on your phone, which gives your unlock code based on VIN your car or serial number of radio. Just enter your VIN or serial number and press Generate. After finishing, you will receive your Whenever Your Renault Radio unlock code. It is super easy, and I have had zero problems with it whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Radio Plus Plus. So just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.